with me whilst I talk about how I'm focusing on becoming the best possible version of myself this year ahead of getting married. First, let's take my makeup off. Number one is I've simply stopped giving people my attention who drain my energy. It doesn't only affect my mental health, but it actually affects my physical health. Another one is I have stopped being afraid of saying no. I realised that in keeping the peace for everyone else, it was actually me who was suffering, and my nervous system does not need that. Third one is I am taking care of my skin using the best products, using the sauna and red light therapy. You guys know I love the diamond contour from Kaplan MD. It's a supercharged 1 minute daily facial. You just rub it on in circular motion, leave it to sit for about 30 seconds, making sure you do that to obviously makeup free skin. So I will either do this in the morning, evening, or both. I instantly feel more glowy. Number 4 is sticking to a much more consistent sleep routine, prioritising sleep. Time to rub this rejuvenating treatment off. Wash it off like that. It actually leaves me feeling so much fresher morning and night. I'm ready to go and sit in the garden with no makeup on. Oh, and number 5 is getting outside more. Vitamin D you can't go wrong with. Quick little shout out again to the diamond contour from Kaplan MD.